Hi everyone, good evening. I'll be showing you how to make this type of fringes. So here is my pre-strung fringes, and here are the samples of the fringes I've done. So I'll be showing you just a sample of how it's done. You can see it. So my needle is already in the thread, so remember I didn't double the thread, it's single thread. I pass on the bead to it, then go to the back of the thread, fold it like that. After pushing one seed bead back, I just notch it to a length that I know that the beads will be below, and the thread where I notch it will be at the top where we cut it off at the end of the pushing back. So I gently push this back to the end of the last one and remove the extra thread from it, the extra thread by the side, then cut. You see it, that is one sample. So I'm going to do a second sample. You push one seed bead to the back, fold it enough to the stage where you know you can cut it over, so you'll be able to pass beading needle when you want to tie it on your clothing or ribbon. So you can see I notched it, not too tight, so I can still pass my beads down. So I push down the remaining beads. Some of the beads have fall off. In case you have a short thread just like this, just pass on some remaining beads in here and push it down again, just like I've done the first one. You see it, pull the whole thread, then cut it over the end. That's it. Any question, notify me via WhatsApp. Thank you.